Kate, and I'm 43 years old. I think you have to be proactive, with your looks as you get older. I don't know, at some point you have to accept that you're aging, but it doesn't mean you have to sort of take it all, just at face value. There's stuff you can do. I think every decade you make different choices too. Like I know I'm always like, I would never get any work done. I'd never get any work done. Yeah. And then, the older I get, I'm like, well, maybe, just a little something.
I would want something that does it gradually so that...
You don't want to go from like 0 to 60.
You don't want people to just go, whoa.
Yeah, drastic.
You had something done.
I really want something that's very long lasting.
With stuff that they have now, you do these subtle things.
Right.
So you don't have to have that...
Discover the new age of anti-age. Sculptra Aesthetic. The only facial injectable that provides noticeable results that emerge subtly for a more youthful-looking appearance that can last up to 2 years. As you can see with Alyssa, an actual Sculptra Aesthetic patient, her results are subtle because they're happening gradually. For most patients, an average of 3 treatment sessions over a few months is needed, but the noticeable, natural-looking results can last up to 2 years. Of course, individual results and treatment sessions may vary for every patient. Renata is another Sculptra Aesthetic patient. From before, subtly, gradually to be renewed. Renata's before to after pictures speak for themselves. FDA-approved Sculptra Aesthetic is different in the way it works, because it gradually replaces lost collagen. As you age, you may notice changes to your face. For example, the appearance of shallow to deep facial wrinkles and folds. Over time, wrinkles become more apparent, primarily due to the breakdown of collagen, among other factors. It is thought that Sculptra Aesthetic works within the deep dermis to help replace lost collagen. As collagen is replaced, it provides a foundation that gradually restores the look of fullness by correcting your shallow to deep facial wrinkles and folds. The result? A refined, more youthful-looking appearance. Sculptra Aesthetic is the only injectable that works gradually and can give you noticeable results that can last up to 2 years.
Hi, I'm Franca. I'm living in Düsseldorf. I'm nearly 41 years old and I'm working as a model. Because I'm in this job and I'm working in front of the camera, I know my face. Sculptra was the one I choose because if there's a chance or a possibility to do something which looks natural, this is great. Why not? Sculptra is something different. First of all, because it comes so gradual and it looks so natural. I like the idea that my own collagen is what's filling up and not something else. Of course, it takes longer, but it's worth it when you think of it. It can last up to 2 years. My experience with the whole thing is a good one. I look a bit younger, I look more refreshed. Now I can see it.
Franca is just one of many patients who got a more youthful-looking appearance without looking like she had work done. There are a lot of treatment options out there, but if you want results that work gradually and can last up to 2 years, then ask your physician about Sculptra Aesthetic while you're here. After all, you didn't age overnight, so why should you anti-age overnight? Ask your physician about Sculptra Aesthetic for noticeable results that emerge subtly and can last up to 2 years. Welcome to the new age of anti-age. For more information, please visit sculptraaesthetic.com.